Hello, physics, DC circuits, series and parallel resistors. And the problem is 2.8 kilo ohms and 2.1 kilo ohm resistors are connected in parallel. This combination is then connected to 1.8 kilo ohm in series. If each resistor is rated to half of the watt, what is the maximum voltage across the whole network? So there is a power restriction first. So the current and voltage for each resistor has to be found. So the voltage and current in each resistor. So the power is equal to I square R. I square R. That means I is equal to P over R square root. Similarly, P is equal to V square over R. That means V is equal to PR square root. So the current is equal to P over R and V is equal to PR square root. So resistor 2.8 kilo ohm. So this one power is half watt. So half watt over the resistor 2.8 kilo ohm square root. This is equal to 0.0134 amp, and the voltage is equal to P half watt into resistors is 2.8 into 10 power 3 square root is equal to 37.4 volt. So 2.1 kilo, so zero point 0.5 watt into 2.1 into 10 power 3. So this is equal to 0.01454 and 0.5 watt into 2.1 into 10 power 3 square root. This is equal to 32.4 volt. And then 1.8 kilo, 0.5 watt over 1.8 into 10 power 3 square root is equal to 0.0167 amp. 0.5 watt into 1.8 into 10 power 3. So this is equal to 30.0 volt. So now we have power thing. So current and voltage. So the first two are 2.8 kilo ohm and 2.1 kilo ohms are in parallel combination. So now we have to find the current. So they will have a same voltage. So these are parallel and same voltage. And same voltage will be which is a 2.1 kilo ohms. So this will have a voltage 32.4 volt. So the current we have to find. The current I is equal to V into R equivalent. V of 2.1. Okay. So this is equal to Uh, 2.32.4 volt into R equivalent of these two. So this is equal to 1 over 2.8 kilo plus 1.2.1 kilo raised power minus 1. So this is the equivalent resistance, and that will be equal to 0.027 amp. But this is more. The current I is equal to 0.0274 amp is more than the 2.1. The rating for the next one, the rating of 1.8 kilo ohm, which is the next one. So next one is this one. So it is more than 2.4 is more than the rating of the next one. So the next allowed current is 0.0167 amp. So now we have to find the voltage. So voltage for the next combination. So V is equal to IR and I is equal to this one 0.0167 amp, and R equivalent is the this is in series. These two are in parallel, and series to 1.8. So then we maximum 2.8 kilo parallel to 2.1 kilo, and this is in series of 1.8. So the voltage is equal to 0.0167 amp into this one 1.28 into 10 to the power 3 ohms plus 1 over 2.1 into 10 to the power 3 ohms inverse plus 1.8 into 10 to the power 3 ohms, this one. And if you calculate this one, this will give us the voltage, which is equal to 50 volt. So the maximum voltage is 50 volt. So this is the answer of this old question.